Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do 3 easy holiday looks using China Glaze's The Grinch collection. So this first look is going to be a wintry snowflake design. And this white I'm going to be using is Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel in Get Mod. I would have used my China Glaze white, but I couldn't find it, so I had to use Sally Hansen. So we're going to do the ring finger in that white, and then the rest of my fingers is going to be China Glaze's Deliciously Wicked. This is one from the collection. And so we're going to go ahead and do 2 coats on all of my nails. And it does take me a while to paint all of my nails. So I did buy the mini collection and I have long nails, so it took a while to go back and forth with a little brush to cover my long nails. And after we have those 2 coats of white on my ring finger, I'm going to top it with Lukewarm Wishes. This kind of has a blue iridescent finish to it. And so moving on to the rest of the nails, we're going to draw on snowflakes. So I'm using a long striping brush and then some white acrylic paint. So I'm drawing like a star design and then adding little branches. This kind of creates a snowflake nail. So on the pinky and the pointer finger, I went and I added smaller snowflakes, and then I did use a dotting tool to create some white dots in between the snowflakes, just to have some added snow effect. And so once that is dried, you're going to top coat all of the nails. And the top coat I'm going to be using is Rock Top Coat. This one I got from Sally's. And so there is the final design of the snowflake nails. This one's super easy, and this one's good to do for the holidays or for after the holidays and through the winter time, January and February. This is a good winter design. So for look number 2, I was going for more of untraditional Christmas nails, but these are going to have ornaments on them. So this purple is You're a Mean One from the collection, and then the pink sparkle I'm going to put on is Who Wonder. And again, we're going to do 2 coats of each color. So once the nails are completely dried, I am going to go on to the purple nails and create a gold gradient using Merry Whatever. And I just put a little bit of the polish on the tip of a broken up piece of sponge, and then you're just going to sponge it on till you create that gradient you want. And for the ornaments, I am using a dotting tool. Later, I switch over to a small brush. For the brush, I'm using Midi Burns brush in Peachy 000. And I'm using that same gold Merry Whatever. For the outline and for the string of the ornament, I am using a black acrylic paint and I am using a longer striping brush. And that brush is Midi Burns Minty 0. So then go ahead and top coat all of the nails. Again, I'm using rock top coat. And here is the final design. This set is perfect for those who want Christmas nails, but might not necessarily want to wear red and green on their nails. I loved how this one came out. And for the final look, I had to do Grinch nails. So for my middle and ring finger, I'm going in with that white. Again, it's a Sally Hansen Get Mod. And then on my pinky, I'm going to use Ho Ho No, which is that pretty red sparkle. And then on my pointer finger, I will be using Grinchworthy, which is that beautiful Grinch glitter green. And we'll do 2 coats on all of the nails. And on my middle finger, I'm going over the white with Resting Grinch Face. This is a multicolored chunky glitter polish. And then on my ring finger, I am going to draw out the Grinch's hand holding a dangling ornament. So for that green, I am using Grinchworthy, and then for the ornament, the red is going to be that Ho Ho No. And so for this design, it does take me a while to draw it out because I am using regular polish versus acrylic paint or gel polish. Plus, it's a glitter, so it's quite chunky and hard to draw with. And then for the outline, I am using a black acrylic paint, and then I do go back over with a white acrylic paint just to thin out some of those lines. And once the design is complete, go ahead and top coat all of the nails. And there is the final design. So I loved how this came out. I love the Grinch. I'm so excited. I hope I get to go see the new one in theaters soon. And those are my 3 easy holiday nails. It gives you a couple of different ideas on how to use the Grinch collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more holiday nails coming up. We'll see you next time. Bye!